Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Your Connection is Not Private error on Brave browser. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the menu icon. It typically appears as three horizontal lines. Click on this icon and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize various aspects of Brave and troubleshoot common issues like connection errors. Once you're in the settings panel, take a look at the left sidebar of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically. Click on Privacy and Security. This section contains important settings related to how Brave handles your browsing data and security protocols, which is exactly what we need to address this connection error. Now, within the Privacy and Security section, click on Delete Browsing Data. This option allows you to clear out stored information that might be causing conflicts with secure connections. Cached files and cookies can sometimes interfere with how your browser verifies website security certificates, so clearing them often resolves connection issues. In the window that opens, click on All Time. This ensures you're clearing all the accumulated browsing data rather than just recent information. Sometimes older cached data is what's actually causing the problem, so it's important to clear everything to give your browser a fresh start. After selecting All Time, click on Delete from this device. This will begin the process of removing all the stored browsing data. You'll need to wait a moment while Brave clears everything out. Depending on how much data you have stored, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a minute or two. The browser is working through all your cached files, cookies, and other stored information to give you a clean slate. Once that's complete, navigate back to Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. From there, click on Security. This section controls how Brave handles encrypted connections and security protocols, which is another common source of the connection error you're experiencing. In the security settings, look for the option that says Use Secure DNS. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and toggle this off. Secure DNS can sometimes cause conflicts with certain websites or networks, preventing you from accessing sites even when they're perfectly safe. Turning this off allows Brave to use your default DNS settings instead, which often resolves the private connection error. And that's it. You've successfully addressed the main causes of the Your Connection is Not Private error on Brave browser by clearing your browsing data and adjusting your DNS settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.